Why did the Sun King destroy his most loyal minister? In the opulent and treacherous halls of Versailles, where power was as dazzling as the chandeliers, a single misstep could cost you everything. The story of Nicolas Fouquet is a cautionary tale of ambition, envy, and the fragile nature of reputation. As the finance minister to Louis Roman XIV, Fouquet's rise was as swift as his fall was devastating. But what led to his downfall? How did a man so close to the king become his enemy? Let's unravel the mystery behind this dramatic turn of events. Reputation is your most valuable asset, a delicate fabric woven from the perceptions of others. It defines how others see you and can make or break your influence in an instant. In the world of power, reputation is everything. It is the shield that protects you from the arrows of envy and the sword that cuts through obstacles. Guard it fiercely, for once tarnished, it is nearly impossible to restore. In the court of public opinion, perception is reality, and your reputation is your most potent weapon. Meet Nicolas Fouquet, the ambitious finance minister of Louis Roman XIV. Born in 1615, Fouquet was a man of immense talent and ambition, rising to become one of the most powerful figures in France by 1661. As the king's trusted advisor, he wielded significant influence over the kingdom's finances. However, his ambition knew no bounds, and he often overstepped his limits, seeking to outshine even the king himself. His story is a classic example of how unchecked ambition can lead to one's downfall. Fouquet threw a lavish party at his shadow, a spectacle of opulence that outshone even the king's own court. The event was meant to display his wealth and power, but it backfired spectacularly. What Fouquet failed to realize was that in the game of power, appearances can be deceiving. By outshining the king, he inadvertently painted a target on his back. In the delicate dance of court politics, one must always be mindful of the shadows they cast. Louis Roman XIV, feeling threatened by Fouquet's display of power, acted swiftly to protect his own reputation. In a calculated move, the king ordered Fouquet's arrest, stripping him of his titles and wealth. This decisive action was not just about removing a rival, it was about reasserting his dominance and sending a clear message to others who might dare to challenge him. The king's reputation was safeguarded, but at the cost of Fouquet's freedom and legacy. Why does this law work so effectively? It's simple. Envy and insecurity are powerful motivators. People fear losing their status and will go to great lengths to protect it. In the world of power, the higher you climb, the more enemies you make. A single misstep can lead to a cascade of events that threaten your position. Understanding this dynamic is crucial for anyone seeking to navigate the treacherous waters of influence. Reputation is a social currency that buys you trust, influence, and opportunities. In the intricate web of social interactions, your reputation is the glue that holds your network together. Lose it, and you lose everything from allies to opportunities. In a world where perception is reality, maintaining a positive reputation is essential for long-term success. It's not just about avoiding scandal. It's about consistently delivering value and exceeding expectations. In your career, a single bad review can tarnish your reputation, setting off a chain reaction that affects your future prospects. Always strive to deliver more than expected, turning every challenge into an opportunity to enhance your standing. In the professional world, your reputation is your calling card, and every interaction is a chance to reinforce it. Remember, it's easier to maintain a good reputation than to repair a damaged one. In group chats and social media, be mindful of your words. Gossip can spread like wildfire, damaging your reputation in ways that are hard to control. The digital age has amplified the speed at which information travels, making it more important than ever to think before you speak. A careless comment can have long-lasting repercussions, so always consider the potential impact of your words on your reputation. In meetings, align with your boss's vision and goals. By protecting their reputation, you indirectly protect your own. In the hierarchy of power, loyalty and alignment with those above you can be a strategic advantage. When you help your superiors succeed, they are more likely to support and defend you in return. It's a symbiotic relationship where mutual respect and reputation are key to career advancement. Reputation is power. Guard it fiercely, for it is the foundation upon which your influence is built. Never outshine the master, as doing so can lead to your undoing. As we conclude this exploration of reputation, remember that in the game of power, perception is reality. Join us next time as we delve into the importance of courting attention at all costs, another crucial aspect of maintaining your position in the hierarchy of power.